You can transform your life and help many others do the same by simply directing those who ask for details to the information and help them get their questions answered. It is that simple. We have one-on-one coaching and group mentoring, marketing tools in the members area, live vacation events designed to interact face-to-face with other business partners, along with training sessions by the best in the world. And the tremendous support that you receive from all the others in the business community here is what creates the income and lifestyle that most only dream about. It's all here. You just need to want it badly enough to join us and change your life forever. You will be earning from $500 to $20,000 per sale based on a very unique system called the one-up compensation model. Although you can get started with as little as $500 and a small admin fee, to explain this in detail in this overview, we will use the amount of $3,500 as the business startup amount. I think you'll see why over 80% of those joining us open their businesses at that level. As you will see, the profits are exceptional. So congratulations! You've been introduced to the most powerful cash flow business ever developed. Thousands are generating cash from all over the world. Teachers, homemakers, busy executives have answered yes. I can find one person who wants to start their own business and say goodbye to the daily grind. And by finding that one person, they now receive thousands of dollars a day simply by returning phone calls. This is not about multi-level or network marketing, and there's no fat cat at the top making all the money. And there's no selling and no chasing your friends and family to join. This one-up cash flow overview demonstrates the power of finding one person and how all the cash flows directly to you. And when you get started, you will be returning phone calls to the people who have requested more information. People like Alan. Alan joins online and is right there on your receiving line. Now, to get started, Alan has to immediately send the profit portion of his purchase to you. In this example, that's $3,500 to your bank account. Would $3,500 this week make a difference to your family? Alan returns a few phone calls automatically, finding his one person. We'll call him Bob. Bob joins online, and the database places Bob on your receiving line. So to get started, Bob immediately sends his purchase to you. Another $3,500 sent to your front door or bank. Now listen carefully, because this is the one-up qualifier explained. Since Bob is Alan's first person, the database places Bob on your receiving line as Alan's one-up qualifier and gives Bob to you. So Alan just qualified forever to start receiving cash, and the software allows Alan to break away and start receiving his line number 1, while Bob stays right there with you. Now Bob returns a few phone calls to automatically find his one person. Let's call her Cindy. Cindy joins online and immediately sends her purchase to you, and another $3,500 is sent to your front door. And Bob just qualified to receive cash forever, and the software allows Bob to break away and start his receiving line number 1, just like you will, and just like Alan did. Now Cindy returns a few phone calls to automatically find her one person. Let's call him Dan. Dan joins online and immediately sends his purchase to you, another $3,500 directly to your bank or front door. Remember, we guaranteed you that there was no fat cat sitting at the top, and all that cash flows to you. You've already received $14,000 with only one person joining, and that was Alan. And that demonstrates the power of finding one person, while Bob, Cindy, and Dan were given to you as one-up qualifiers. And this domino effect will continue. 10, 20, 50, even to infinity. Now this is simple to understand if you will just remember that every person gives you two things to qualify in order to receive the profits from the sales. Number 1, the profit portion of their own product purchase, and number 2, their first person. You see, with the mentoring and support, most of our members can qualify in their first 24 to 48 hours because there are literally millions of people every day requesting more details on how they can generate cash from home. And that is why you can start receiving cash your very first day. And while you've been receiving all of that cash, you've continued to return phone calls, and you've already found your second person, John, and this starts your receiving line number 2. John sends his purchase to you of $3,500, and again straight to your door or bank, and the same thing that happened in receiving line number 1 is going to happen with John in receiving line number 2. How many receiving lines would you like working for you 24/7? It's not uncommon for our members to find 3 to 5 people every single day who want to receive cash. So again, how many receiving lines would you like working for you 24/7? At just one person a week, that's 52 receiving lines in a year, and now 52 people who want to give you their first person. Just do the math. It's incredible. So here's your chance to finally be debt-free, to get started today and reward your family forever.